Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see about the flowering plants. These are otherwise called as angiosperms. We know these angiosperms are the one which can produce the flowers. The flowers contains reproductive organs and they are classified into male as well as female. Now let us see one by one. Now male reproductive structure is called as stamen. So this stamen contains two important regions. One is called as the anther and the other one is called as the filament. The anther looks like a bag-like structure which produces the pollen grains and stores the pollen grain. The filament is a stalk-like structure which exposes the anther and supports the anther. Once it exposes the anther, it can reach the pollinators for pollination. We know that pollen grains are the male gametes which has to reach the ovule, the female gametes, for fertilization to take place. Okay. Now coming to the female reproductive organ of a flower, the female reproductive organ is called as pistil or carpel. So this has four important regions. The first one is called as stigma. The stigma sticks the pollen grains to it when a pollinator like an insect or bird or any other agent like wind sends the pollen grain to the stigma. As soon as the pollen grain sticks to the stigma, a pollen tube is developed which is very temporary to pass the pollen grain from the stigma to the ovule. Once the pollen grain is passed to the ovule through the style inside the ovary, fusion of male and female gametes happen. This process is called as fertilization. After fertilization, this makes a diploid zygote. So, soon after the fertilization is over, the ovary is converted to fruit and the ovule is converted to seed. Thank you all of you.